इधर इधर
मैडम, अगर आपको डर नहीं लगा हम लोगों से तो फोटो निकाले को नहीं, आपको डर रहता है फोटोग्राफर से ना,
फोटो निकाले या ना निकाले?
अच्छा
अरे तुझ्याकडे बघते दत्ता थांब जरा एक मिनिट राईटला बघत नाही हाँ जी आपके राइट में मैम आपके राइट में
Anna, you look lovely.
Thank you.
मग तुझ्याकडे बघते
Who are you wearing? Actually क्या होता है कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं ना इतने डिजाइनर्स के and the worst thing is कि आप किसी और का नाम बोल दो किसी और के आउटफिट पे they get so offended and which is not right also. So I am wearing Namrata Joshipura today. Namrata Joshipura today.
You also been awarded Beauty of the Year. How does
Yes.
it feel?
It feels good. I think everyone has their own perception and definition of beauty. Yeah.
आपके लिए खूबसूरती की क्या परिभाषा है?
I think women who are for me like a pleasant looking woman who has a very genuine smile and who has really kind eyes is so much more appealing. She's really like truly beautiful as opposed to a really like hot babe who's like got blonde hair and like like dumb smile.
Shiva, you've got the temperature story. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Monisha Jaising. You like it? Yeah, I'm wearing black after really long.
Shiva, you were one of the judges.
Yes.
How difficult or easy a task it is?
When it's just an ordinary beauty award, it would be very easy, but because it's the Vogue Beauty Awards, the onus lies on your shoulder to actually make the right choice. So it wasn't hard. I actually had quite a whale of a time going through all the beauty products because I'm quite a beauty product junkie, and I had fun and may the best people win.
ये करना क्या? हाँ करना है ना, करना है हीरो बनने की हीरोइन वो नहीं
Kriti, you won the Face to Watch Out for the Vogue Beauty Award.
Yes, yes.
So how does that feel? Is it your first award?
It's officially my first award, so that feels great. And I have been reading Vogue as a model, so it feels great to win an award by such a great fashion magazine. And yeah, that's my first award.
What's it like being in Vogue?
Sorry?
What's it like being in Vogue?
Being in Vogue. Of course, it's a great feeling. As a model, I've been reading Vogue since so long. Even in college, it used to be like this one magazine you look for. So it's great being featured in Vogue, and it's great winning an award because I think yeah, it's got something to it which is like a high standard. So I feel when you're recognized by such a big brand, it feels great.
Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Dior. It's a Dior outfit. It's Dior shoes. So yeah.
मम्मी को भी पसंद है मेरे, मैं दूंगा।
Oh boy, this whole Korean. Thank you. What do you think? Take a wild guess.
What does beauty mean to you?
yourself. Very simple. Beauty is being yourself. Just yourself. Very simple, elegant, and sophisticated, and not over the top. So I like to keep it very simple. I don't like accessorizing too much. So just Pardon? Wow. Am I involved? Well, thank you. Good. Kind of unreal. It feels amazing. They've been nice enough to give me an award once before, so it's really sweet. And he's like one big happy family. Fashionable happy family.
Hello. Thank you. All thanks to the whole team.
Beautiful man award at the Vogue Beauty Awards.
Yes.
How does it feel to win the most beautiful man?
It's unique, that's the first. It took them so long to figure that out. But it's great. I think they're celebrating beauty, which is great. And I think it talks about a lot of aspects and not just visually how it is. For me, it's inner beauty, how people are. Good people are beautiful for me. So let's see, it's a great night, it's a great initiative, and I'm excited to be here. It's stylish and cool being in Vogue, and all thanks to them, they're styling me today. And looking forward to seeing more stylish people, well-dressed people, and a fun evening.
What are you wearing?
Yes. It's been an amazing year, you know, and this really seals the deal for me. It's just so special to be recognized by a association like Vogue. It feels great. Beauty means simplicity, being able to live life the way you want to live it. Beauty is about being able to find beauty in everything around you and not just within you. And to make sure that the kind of beauty that excites you is long lasting and does not depend on age.
Guys, wait. Thank you. I am wearing, let me think. Hold on. Yes, it's an outfit by Sheila. Can I come in? Well, I hope this year will be better than last year. And I had a great time last year. And so, let's see what we have in store.
काजोल आपके लिए खूबसूरती क्या है?
मेरे लिए खूबसूरती क्या है? मेरे हिसाब से खूबसूरती कुछ भी हो सकती है। एक औरत को एक अच्छी स्माइल खूबसूरती है, एक अच्छा दिल खूबसूरती है, अच्छी आंखें खूबसूरती है। मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो अंदर का जो चेहरा होता है वो जब बाहर आता है तो वो खूबसूरती होती है।
Thank you very much. I'm wearing Amit Agarwal.
What's it like being in Vogue?
Well, it's amazing. I think no one better than Vogue to do these beauty awards, honestly.
And with regards to your recent cover on the magazine, there was a news that the cover has been adapted to Hollywood. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I don't really know. I thought it was a beautiful concept. Atul was right here, and I thought it was executed really, really well. I think what's important is that you take the idea behind it, the ethos behind it, and it applies to women all over the world, really. What kind of beauty tips? I think whenever you leave the house, just leave with a beautiful smile. I think if your smile reaches your eyes, it just makes you look good.
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा क्या है?
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा ये है कि आई थिंक आप अगर खुद में विश्वास रखती हैं, आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है खूबसूरत दिखने के लिए. एंड आई थिंक एवरीवन इज ब्यूटीफुल इफ यू जस्ट
हीरो तो दीदी यहाँ पर मूवीज के बारे में मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. आप क्रिकेट की बात कर रही हैं. कल मैरीकॉम का प्रोमो रिलीज है और दावत इश्क को काफी अच्छा इधर आ गया.